Hello, everyone. Welcome to Maxim Hygiene's Period Talk, the podcast where we break down everything about menstrual health, products, and empowerment. I'm Mima, your host, and a proud advocate for safe, sustainable period care here at Maxim Hygiene. Today, we're tackling a question many parents and teens ask: at what age should teens start using menstrual products? Whether you're a teen navigating your first period or a parent looking for guidance, this episode is for you. Let's dive in. First up, pads and period underwear. These are often the go-to for teens when menstruation begins, and for good reason. They're easy to use, non-invasive, and perfect for building confidence. At Maxim, we design teen-friendly pads with soft, breathable materials and leak-proof layers. There's no right age, just comfort and readiness. If a teen's period has started, it's time. Next, tampons. Some girls are curious about tampons early on, especially if they're active in sports or swimming. Brands like Kotex say it's about comfort, not age. Some start at 10 to 13. Pro tip: 1. Start with low absorbency tampons. 2. Change every 4 to 8 hours to avoid toxic shock syndrome or TSS. 3. If you are comfortable to use your finger to insert tampons inside your body, non-applicator tampons are great for beginners. 4. If you are not comfortable to use your finger to insert tampons inside your body, then use cardboard applicator tampons. Now, menstrual cups. Yes, teens can use them if they're curious and comfortable with insertion. A Reddit mom shared her daughter started at 12 to 13. Key tips: 1. Pick a small, soft cup, like Maxim's teen size. 2. Practice insertion removal at home first. 3. Sterilize between cycles. Eco-friendly options like reusable pads or period underwear are safe for all ages. They're sustainable, cost-effective, and ideal for beginners who want to avoid disposables. Here's a quick cheat sheet. Final tips for teens and parents. 1. Empower choice. Let teens pick what feels right. 2. Prioritize hygiene. Teach proper use, whether it's changing pads or washing cups. 3. Normalize experimentation. Offer samples, like Kotex suggests, to reduce pressure. 4. Promote body literacy. Discuss anatomy, TSS risks, and cycle tracking. There's no perfect age, just what works for your body and comfort level. Start simple, explore options, and remember, periods are normal, and so is asking questions. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend or parent who might need it. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll debunk myths about tampons and virginity. Until then, stay confident and period positive. This is Mima signing off.